Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Mohd Hilmirashdan bin Mohd. Would like to present about the final year project 2. Okay, this final year project 2 is introduction about the chapter 4 and chapter 5. Okay, for the chapter 4 is the result and discussion. Okay, this is the result of implementing time study method for price service. As you can see, there is a two graph before and after. So after the implementing of time study method, we can save about 2 minutes. Okay, and then next is the result of implementing time study method for service process. We have a two graph, and before we have a 10 minutes of waste time, and after implementing the time study method for service process, we have a 4 minutes. So the total 6 minutes saved. 2 minutes for the service and 6 minutes for the service process. Okay, right now we like to timetable calculation of average sale per day at Toyota Motor 4S. For to know how to do calculation of average sale, we must know all the models of the Toyota car. This is the 21 types of car models, and the second is a market ratio we can find from the website of the Toyota. And then the yellow one is the two types of service, Advanced and Advanced Plus. Okay, the next is the ratio Advanced types of the Advanced Plus. So the ratio between the two types of service is the 3 for the Advanced, and Advanced Plus is 1. So the total is 4 cars. Okay, next is average cost per model, and then the outlet quantity car daily is 70, quantity actually, average sale daily. Okay, next is the timetable calculating of saving time after implementing time study method. Okay, this is a time study in hours for the two types of service in Toyota, and then average time versus model, and then average time versus model versus service of type, and then this is the result of the implementation time study method. For the battery tester, we have saving about 2 minutes per 70 car per day, and the regulation part is saving about 4 minutes per 70 car daily. Next is the calculation of business losses. A. The calculation of average cost per model. Example is for the Corolla Altis model. This one, Corolla Altis. So how do we calculate it is to find the average cost per model, we must max advance ratio times advance price plus advance ratio times advance plus price equal by 4. So the result is the IM 387.50 cents. For the calculation of quantity actually is find it, we must have a market ratio times outlet quantity car daily. So the result is 2.8%. Next, C, the calculation of average sale daily is average cost per model times quantity actually. And the result is 1085 ringgit. For the D is the calculation average time versus model. So the formula is the max advance time times advance ratio plus advance plus ratio times advance plus time divide by 4. So the total is 0.832. Okay, E, the calculation average time versus model versus service type. Okay, so the formula is average time versus model times the quantity actually. So the result is 2.33. So for the calculation, saving time for battery tester in each zone is we got 2 minutes for the result. Divide by 60 seconds times the quantity or outlet quantity car daily. So the result is 2.33 So we got the 2 car extra can service. For the calculation saving time for the recommendation part list, we have a 6 minute divided by 60 seconds times outlet quantity car daily 70. So the result is a 7 car extra can service. In the bottom, as you can see, the total extra revenue 3,000 ringgit and 10,000 ringgit, which we get actually from the times 7 times this one. Average sale daily 1,430 times 7 and 100 times 2. So deduct the total extra revenue from the waste time. Okay, for the conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion and overall, the project implementation has achieved all the objectives stated in Chapter 1. The main problem faced by the company is a waste of time in the car service process. The solution to solve the problem is creating a new SOP, which is creating a 4 zone in a workshop for a battery tester and create a communication part list. Okay, for the recommendation and the future improvement, this is the 2 types of recommendation that are found to for the future using. This is digital time tracking and data collection. We shall use digital tools and software to more properly track and record service time. Okay, number 2 is predictive analytic model, such as a forecast service time based on historical data, the vehicle type, and specific service requirement. This may help with resource allocation and appointment scheduling, resulting in shorter customer wait times. For the contribution to the industry, the time study finding could be applied in our workshop procedure. The time study method and lesson learned from this project can be implemented into a catalyst motto for us in future projects, because this project help reduce the car service process time might result in speedier service to customer. This could be give important competitive advantage, especially in a place where the problem is founded. That's all from me. Thank you.